Hey, welcome back to Quick Tips. My name's Ian Miller. Today I'm gonna give you a quick little demonstration and some little tips on how to use your zippers to help prevent any moisture from entering the bag, but also airborne elements like sand on a windy day. It's really simple. It might seem basic, but I think it's also overlooked. And basically it all comes down to closing your zippers properly. So right now I'll go through each zipper and how you should properly close them. So you can see the quick access zipper opens like this. It's a PU zipper. On one side it has a pull tab, on the other side it has a zipper garage. So when you close it, simply just use your thumb and finger, hold the TPU tab, and close it like that. Now when you get to the end, you'll see right here that it should tuck itself into this triangular shaped zipper garage. And if it doesn't go there on its own when you close it, just give it a little push and that's it, closed like that. So our next zipper is this front panel pocket. Because it's a dual zip, that means you can basically close the zipper anywhere you want it. My preference is so that it's always at one end. So I always know to think, okay, it's always on this side, and I know how to reach and access it quickly, so it's always going to be there. But it will sit just above the webbing. That way, you don't have to worry about this strap. So you can see in most cases, I'll open it. Most people are going to put a shell in here or something similar, and I can just stuff it back in there. And then again, easily close it right to there. Now I don't need to open it the remaining 4 to 5 centimeters here. Now if I do have something bigger that I want to put in there, I will have to open this and adjust it so it opens just a little bit more. So that's your front panel zipper. And let's go to the side zipper. Now this one's really simple because it's just a single zipper. The key feature is it has a zipper garage. So if you are accessing the side, most cases you're going to need to undo the compression strap at the bottom. But you won't always need to do that depending on what you're accessing. So you can open it like that, close it again, just make sure it goes under that garage. Now on the side access zipper where we keep the tripod pouches, this one's really simple too, just straight. And then when you put it down, just try and make sure the flaps go over the actual zipper, and that will give you the best protection. And on to the last one, which is going to be our rear panel access. So I'll always leave this zipper down in the bottom corner, and I'll basically just use the upper zipper. So when I close it, it always tucks into this corner. Now depending on the shape of your body, you might have to find a position that works best for you, but for me, tucked in this corner makes no actual contact with my back or lower back, upper back, or anywhere, so it just goes unnoticed. So I keep it tucked in this corner all the time. But also it allows me to know that, again, to open my bag quickly, that my zipper is always right here, ready to quickly access. So we also have the front. The front's really simple, not much to say here, open, close, it's a single zip. That's really all you need to know. There is one small detail on this water bottle pocket. So this is a self-locking zipper. Pressure will not expand it and cause the zipper to open. And that is it for all the zippers on the Action X series. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching another episode of Quick Tips. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you need any help. Take care.